All right, guys, another case for the iPhone 15 lineup of devices. This is the 15 Plus here. This case here, Aramid fiber from BENKS, the Armor Air, price $39. That will be hard to beat when it comes to Aramid fiber and the quality of this case. Guys, if you're new to the channel, hit that like, drop a sub. But the blue, yeah, I know it's blue. Doesn't look blue, but it is blue. The iPhone 15 Plus, and of course from BENKS, 600D Aramid fiber. The 6.7-inch case here, the Kevlar, the BENKS official branding here on the bottom, a very thin and light case. This will give you a lot of grip. It will also give you some scratch protection, but if you are looking for drop protection, well, we all know Aramid fiber cases are not the way to go. Now on the inside, it does give you a little more info about how to put it on, but I believe we all know how to put on a case. Now, the BENKS Armor Air. This thing is a very good looking case. The weave, the Aramid fiber look on here, that Kevlar feel, solid case. Now, of course, MagSafe compatible for all your accessories and all of your chargers. This will still work. Now, there is like a metal ring around your camera bump with their branding here. You do have the open side for your power button. The volume up and down is also open. The top, however, is covered, and the bottom also is covered, except for the speakers and the USB-C port, of course, and the antennas on here. The inside, you can see that MagSafe emblem on there to show that this is MagSafe compatible with the Kevlar and the BENKS emblem here on the bottom. You guys know how I feel about these types of cases. Now, again, this is for the iPhone 15 Plus, but of course available for all of the new iPhones, and they have older cases as well if you're interested in something like that. But you can see the fit on here, very nice and very clean. The cutouts here on each side, of course on the top just for the antennas, and on the side the mute switch. Remember, no action button on here. This is the Plus, so the mute switch and the volume up and down, they are exposed. So of course, they do have the Armor Pro if you want to cover those up. And then the ports on the bottom, the USB-C port, and of course, the speakers. Now, if we go to the front, you can see not much protection covering your glass. So throw a screen protector on here if you need to get one. I would suggest getting one if you want to protect your device. These are very expensive devices. And on the back here, we do have a bit of protection over our camera lenses. And remember, this is a little metal piece right here from BENKS to give us a little bit more protection than what we usually get on Aramid fiber cases. Now, the grip on here is very nice. I do like it. Now, just to show you guys the MagSafe compatibility here, you can see the magnets on the inside of the actual case there for your MagSafe with the magnet paper. I love this stuff. I've had this laying around for years. I never really use it. Maybe I'll start using it for earbuds and things like that. But this is one of the nicest Aramid fiber cases. If you like a thin case, if you like an ultra lightweight case that just gives you grip, minimal drop protection, right? Don't expect this to help you if you are dropping your phone, but it will protect from scratches and it will give you a better grip than just using your device without a case. But from BENKS, and it's gonna be hard to beat with the price, right? A lot of the other ones like Pataka and the later cases, they are what, 60, 70 bucks for their Aramid fiber. This is from BENKS, 39 bucks, can't beat it. Great quality, Aramid fiber. You guys know that's how I roll. That's it, I'll be back soon. Hit that like, drop a sub, peace.